Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm back with a new video where we have to do some back exercises of chapter 7 today. So this is one of the last or the second last video, I would say, for this session. So I would like to say thank you so much, and for your support, for your liking, for subscribing, and watching all the videos. And if you feel like that I should continue with this process, then please do write comments below. And one more thing I would like to say, as your final assessment is approaching near, you need to submit your chapter 6 and 7, the back exercises. Chapter 6 and 7 you need to submit to me as soon as we are finished with chapter 7. You have to submit to me on WhatsApp. And let's start the class on this beautiful note. So we are on question 1. We need to start with question 1, where we have to do the construisez les impératifs avec tu comme dans l'exemple. You need to do the imperative or construct the imperative sentence according to the given example, where you can see you have given one verb and one more letter, one more word, verb and some words. You need to collaborate these verb and words together, and then you need to create a sentence. So first they have taken faire, then le gâteau, fait le gâteau. So keep the subject with tu only. You are not supposed to use nous or vous, only tu. So now our turn is to do with attendre and moi, right? So what we are going to write with attendre? Attends. This is the conjugation with tu. Attends, then moi means me. Wait for me. Sentence would be wait for me. Attends pour moi. And exclamation mark. That's it. The same way you need to do all the exercises given here. The B part is ne pas prendre le train. Don't take the train. Right? So ne pas means you need to negate the sentence. Ne. So what would be the conjugation with prend? That would be prendre, that would be prend, ne prend pas, don't take le train. Don't take the train. Right? Then you have C part, finir, then tons exercise. Finish your exercise. So the conjugation with tu is fini. Fini ton exercice. You are not supposed to remove this as it is a IR ending verb, right? That will remain same. Fini ton exercice. Finish your exercise. Then se dépêcher pour école. Means you need to conjugate this pronominal verb with this given words. These given words. So dépêcher, se dépêcher. What would be the conjugation with the tu? Tu te dépêches. So that will become dépêche-toi. I don't think I need to explain it again. Dépêche-toi. So you are not going to write this as its ER ending verb. And te will become toi. Dépêche-toi pour l'école, for the school. Dépêche-toi pour l'école means hurry up for your school. Then you have être plus nerveux, to be nervous. So you have to create a positive sentence. What we are going to write in être with you? That would not be es. Es will become SOIS. It's an exceptional verb. So, soyez nerveux. Be nervous. Right? Soyez nerveux. N-E-R. Nerveux. Be nervous. I guess it should be don't be nervous, but they have given it like this only. So, voir le film. Voir to see, and le film means film. So, you need to give the instruction that watch the movie or see the movie. So, voir. What is the conjugation of voir with tu? That is voir. Voir le film. They are quite easy. So, I guess you are not supposed to learn or cram anything. Then, s'amuser avec mes amis. S'amuser avec amis. Have fun with friends. To have fun then with friends. Then, amuse-toi. I don't think I need to again explain it. Amuse. You are not supposed to write S of tu. Te will become toi. Amuse-toi avec amis. With friends. Have fun with friends. Right? Then you have ne pas se promener. Means they're saying you need to conjugate the verb se promener in negative. Then aujourd'hui, don't take walk today. Right? How to write it? As I explained you that if it is in negative, then you are not supposed to make changes like this. That will remain same. Then ne te promène pas. You need to remove S as it's a ER ending verb. Ne te promène pas aujourd'hui. Don't go for walk today. Or don't take walk for today. Right? So that's it. We are through with this question. Now come to question 2. Question 2 is, I guess it's again, you need to change the sentences into imperative, right? So first they have already given aujourd'hui nous apprenons nos leçons. Today we are learning our lessons. Apprenons nos leçons. Let's learn our lessons. Vous êtes courageux. You are courageous. So what would be the conjugation in imperative with vous? That would be, we need to cut vous, as we have already learned how to do it. Then soyez, as it's an exceptional verb for I would say for imperative. So the answer would be soyez courageux, right? Then C part is nous avons des livres. Nous avons des livres. You need to cut nous. So avons will become ayons, as it's again exceptional verb for imperative. Ayons des livres. Have some books. Right? Then you have tu vas à l'école. You go to school. Va à l'école. As I told you then that aller is also an exceptional verb which is removing S of tu. So va à l'école. That is also following the ER ending rule for tu. So va à l'école. Go to school. Vous criez fort. You cry a lot, or you can say you cry loudly. You are crying loudly. Then answer would be cry loudly. Right? I don't think I need to tell you every time that you need to omit the subject. Then nous sommes serviables. We are you can say we are serving the hospitality. We are showing hospitality. So we are quite hospitable. You can say we are welcoming people. We are kind of welcoming people. So nous sommes. So sommes will become soyons. Soyons serviables. Be welcoming. Be generous. You can say be hospitable. So nous ne nous mettons pas en colère. Tu t'inscris à l'auto-école. You should subscribe yourself to the auto school. So inscris-toi. Inscris-toi à l'auto-école. The auto school. You need to subscribe the auto school. Or you can say you need to register to you register to the auto school. Then you have nous ne nous mettons pas en colère. We should not be angry. Then simple. Ne nous mettons pas en colère. As it's a negative sentence, so we are not supposed to make changes in pronominal verb, right? Then I is tu n'annonces pas la mauvaise nouvelle. Don't announce the bad news. So n'annonce pas. So you need to remove as it's a ER ending verb. N'annonce pas la mauvaise nouvelle. Don't give the bad news. Exclamation mark. Then I part is vous ne prenez pas de photos dans le musée. You don't take photos in the museum. So ne prenez pas de photos dans le musée. Then exclamation mark. That's it. So we are through with the question 1 and 2 today, and we are left with only we need to skip question 3 as it's make sentences question. So we are not going to have these kind of questions. Writing part would not be there. Then question 4 we are going to do in the next class. Then again question 5 is omit, as this again it's a writing part, and after that straight away we are going to do question 7, as we will try to do question 6 also, right, in the live class. So if you feel like that you are facing any problem and you are not getting anything, you are free to call me, or you can just message me. So I'm going to resolve all your queries within 1 or 2 minutes. So till then, have fun, have a great time. Bye bye.